It is our decision there, a coach, captain for the national team, Mr. Akawa, but coach ne Edimutinti mind. A coach in Eduma, a hand say a coach at Madia, member president, because one my coach in Eduma so 1 year. It at least a drew baby, I see a my coach so that little respect. It is another car say, Oyansan for Amban and for Majandia, and the Encandia. Because Kadia, man no so be out there, but the fact so more can say, okay, Jan Beko tournament, but Jan so I just obey general captain, no, a perfect, and Raha. That was the analysis I'm kind. Say many Jana and Kadia coach na no because of the relationship many coach no achen metiase because general captain no crowd who power saying your friend said the normal captain in the team. It think the man saying ka meko tournament and me ba wi na feel say me happy merita na marita because bi kra safo ye di agree bi kra tournament we ni ye kwa akwaje and only says a tournament ya me adom na say Ghana je ebe project as more than even the World Cups na waboni nyina because you also write that he won gold. Enti ehone de ana na ka de atumuza me ka senka de esa as jan eye no. And of course His Excellency okoye exactly the same. Enti si ana asomdwe aba. So obi e kwa press okoba magana. Na se bi si e koba na jam fees si ana osom no nsum bi ma. Find the any decision but feel said His Excellency aye no. There is nothing wrong. Seven pray as I say a quine say ya. Your friend is on me. Me boy. Insure my friend. Like to do my friend. Say Ghana for also koye bibi. No more can be your problem. So day. Also because you are voted to solve problem. It's a name look at a piece about. This is the kind of president we are talking about. That's why I me check it papa. That's why I say you know when koya make about me the power don't know why grant you are solving it peacefully. Na bibia aye kan nti na sa ta me fe na asomdwe hene ya asomdwe de ye
nti na do so edin be na o de be ma
na ye Jacob ye ba o chena ye ba me de be so ono de ono no oh yeah guy
oh swag
swag
okay I know abrantia friend no Nana Maxwell ese ena na twetwe nkomo no ye ne amtie ne mpemfo bi so ebe kasaba chairman let's beat them anim na me pese o confirmer
me confirmer bibi fiaba
confirmer bra
yen he photo ko de
o confirm bibi aba ho anti yen list no amo make a trip to Adriana no Felix Anan Muntari Tego Wahab Adams Brantia your friend no Amos Frempon Habib Mohammed Evans Owu Eso Prince Aqua Kwame Boahin Kwame Bonsu Stephen Nyakon Augustine Sefa Abdel Fattah Yimono Jemfi Obed Owusu Sony Yakuba Jordan Opoku Abbas Mohammed Weimo ane Emrantia mepacho mo enso eko match akotoko ene Adriana Stars edi ese chama why your confirmation na you
because also ma from Oblast
oh there be Blast
so
let's see
na se posi aka
na ka kromaka
akade na se be Gena sema
no say enja coach ban yen aduma na squad ba there I problem here
ede be bisi
chairman Emranche we na yenya ne tie say coach say omo ko represent Kumasi Asante Kotoko come tomorrow nti ase
me sorry am pa no e na me ti see radio so no omo so ye training and then omo ko e video chicha
ba say na onim that onim
me and am say so omo ko training omo yo omo ti mo ko
okay
it was me sorry am me ti see radio so we bia
okay
nti me yen to camp
a solid team the team is solid mema pa na ekwa akon so kunimu edin to omo ne mema we nkwala nim mema nko a
ye koji qualification ba ya be to Sunday
with the chairman me no di nkomo a wo vim bia o de kasa and then wa ma vim na akosoro pa
ya e koji aba
ejudi
ya to Sunday
nice one
no na ekwa squad na
intermenso
chama ba ekwa squad na
obama
o squad ya na akofa mala mfo ne
o kro mo ye mbem
oben kro ma squad and cross we jai so
so no ohun bibi
we jai
but na me ne ye fight o no ohun bibi
me make to say ye koji qualification about bibia ehia say ye de qualify no and na make am answer say your best we be say you know, but you come back say two no I call semi-finals in England.
Okay. It's a must.
Yes.
There's a Kotoko to me do semi, but you're not tuned for 20th anniversary. So a beam. Chairman, and someone I catch a commercial Santa Kotoko supporters because a big game Sunday. Obian him say, Chrome had your boy Anna, your DGNE, beach be any ha, National Theatre be any ha, conference center be any ha. And it's Sunday, Chairman, and some may Anna, I would better supporters and nominate MTN, general manager, our northern sector, and Chichon Komokaka.
And right, yeah, declaration be. No better hand on. I say Rabi Aqua, also one committee more, show commitment to that declaration. Say from Friday, the 2-4 match on Sunday. Kumasi Ashanti radio station be on foreign news.
This is director.
For radio station, omu nyina jatu. Enye bank wa station na jisi komu director. Ohin kwa team ko ajatu. Ohin ajatu. Omo stations no fit nura omu nyina Kesbi ajatu. Esika ajatu. Royal TV ajatu. Oyepa ajatu. Silver FM ajatu.
Why you to my
From Friday. Otunfo match Sunday match into no. Match in na local. Now okoka asek no kotoko match. Asembe mbiem na obebi akoka bi. Even o certificate 92 kra. 92 kra wa. Nyema pi akoso kotoko ni asek ntem.
Yeah.
E dey biem na obebi eto HN stadium. So what they
Chairman,
say?
wait a minute.
Yeah,
Chairman, do you remember the last time a Kotoko rep apart from you Red Studio?
Me said
Apart from
I'm down there, I ain't feel.
They be apart from one. The last time a Kotoko rep apart from you Red Studio.
Koto rep say because me say esi chumba.
No, but I know they
How come
decide.
management?
You see,
I'm
they
talking
also
about the
decide
management.
when
But-
and
but-
how to
Max,
come.
Max, let's face facts.
On him,
They
on him.
dictate.
No,
Let's
name,
face
name,
facts.
name,
Wait,
on him.
yeah.
I'm not wait, point in here real. But be a
Asama e kanu and you two for match asema
yeah.
20th anniversary.
No. You two are getting me. Me say. People don't understand.
Tear me.
Somebody get me wrong.
See, asema Americano. See, asema Americano.
You
Maybe a microphone,
Let me
I'm
finish.
Nyabotre. Maybe a microphone, I'm Nyabotre. Na afi, come on,
Good.
Nyabotre.
But now on point.
Na come on.
The mechanic say, if you are going to dedicate every time to Kotoko, there must be reps of Kotoko in the studio willing to help.
No, it shouldn't be always.
What's all the money we
Okay,
Friday,
Friday.
Yes.
Yes, say.
I didn't think I will cast a question because assembly be assembly.
Yes. If you are promoting a game now, you are not helping. So you have to be here to help.
Okay.
That is what I'm saying.
Must be
here because what if you got company for one? It pushes more than the journalist saying it.
Oh, okay.
So
Yeah.
engine to say
Yeah.
Friday.
So see, if all of us are helping her, maybe I know waba or Chana Kwame Aba.
Sunday program. Ocha Thursday there, Obi Auntie and Cow.
Because you compare points.
It no come my cancer so Chomanti and can just a match no mass. But into that
Friday.
yes started Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday here because Thursday here call you near to Friday.
Okay.
Into no there na ya ma one of reason masem no. Mo kwa no
There's been times I got Koboba. You bet you to say Mobama.
Yes, Sunday.
It's on Baba.
Sunday. Sa match we ko bonu chira no. When be say e go to the stand say Kotoko management e decide say see a boss out for match no. Na normalization for ko share match same day ya. E be up to for match. Yem bo on match no.
Until Sunday, you
What's for me bedroom? You must have to do hada.
Baba.
Me want to come hada and don't defend. Let's tell them some umbra.
Baba. They will come.
Na mo to wedding. One bar, one bedroom.
Baba.
Mr. Akana ba be 3 times. Safudu kumba, George Amakumba, energy mi aminipa. Me na energy aka oma.
Okay. What's on Baba?
Why you want to be that?
Yes,
They will come back. He said, why you want to be that? See a bomb match, no match woman. Ubi had in the pen, but say it. Won't you chase a week or
It's good to change.
It's even more. And I'm also the bar. Now, if I say I'm a pen, I'm the officer.
Be on time.
Station every station to
Okay. So, Chairman, over to tickets. Any hear me, pa.
Me time. Me
The also
Me watch your tongue.
Me.
So what do you say my best?
Metal 2.
Metal 20.
Okay.
Metal 20.
Okay.
Because me na me launch stadium.
Okay.
So say O24 did the 20th anniversary. You have a Confederation Cup. You appeal regional minister name KM boss. And then a few people have been kind because of and that contribution we 20th anniversary. Yeah. Only Miss MTN this year. Because Kotoko ada O24 the whole can. MTN. I'm calling this combination. I'm about to be because they are the headline sponsors.
Headline sponsors.
Yeah, I'm on per se.
Opeyini Adote Mengel, or your general manager at the MTN Northern Ghana, or no, Penya. From MTN and then ever to drink.
What we say? O24 adi bi edimu. Now 1% a baby a be quick no more abeso because Kotoko ne Asante MTN. So what I say, Intiano said they know Ube can ye party say ye can appeal to me say from Friday no. More local.
Okay.
Now ye fan prepare match no on Sunday no.
But chairman,
ye pese ye be kwakobọ match a ye be hu yellow seats wo. E be bia say
okay.
So we be yellow na empty atare.
Okay.
Apart from that, e say be bia red.
Okay.
So until Obed, you ever buy say Friday. Yeah, can't foreign news be a
Mamba me am fire.
So the station we are shareholder.
Mamba dia me fire. Boy some
shareholder. Edmonaka, pay Kessia. Accra rep. Edema Kumase Asante Kotoko. My name is Teni Adote Mengel, general manager Edema MTN Northern Ghana. Aha, ni Adote die Ganyubi. Oluba, I tell you, I'm your thing. Okay. But Oga, we are like, I'll be a guy. Oga, you are okay. Okay, but you are fine. Okay, there, walk about mix. Mokobabi, I know baby, sir. Sir, MTN, the month of May, then a significant MTN calendar, so the month of May, Mr. Ni.
Eddie Kamin chair tea for you. May no, a month I dedicated to Asante Mine.
Okay.
Because as a corporate entity, Juma wo Ewo Kumasi, Ewo Asante region. Na support Asante Mine their mind throughout the years, no, into no. Over the past couple of years, no, you are dedicating me as a month, and we use that to say thank you to Asante Mine. Now, fortunately, no, so no, now for a 20th anniversary, so any Nabeshia, and also no, we've taken the supporting anniversary.
Oh, that is good. Now, yes, we hear a lot of activities be MTN. Now why and am I now so and MTN
not just a mail your friend or your programming now your friend or your friend say Ashanti Fest.
Okay.
Now Ashanti Fest no your programs be brave. Now yeah music festival that yeah Golden Beam. I think the eve of the 1st of May. Now, data activations throughout various places Ashanti region. Shareholder engagements, any editors forum, Golden Tulip. I think last 2 weeks, and last weekend, so no walkathon, any health screening. Starting for your office, any baby or stadium. Okay. Music, movie mania, so, and I skate soccer. Now, handy over Asante Kotoko field, and so field navy into handy and over, but the date yet, but it's about 97% complete.
I'm training pitch.
Pitch. Yes. And the last one I have any anniversary cup no. stadium on Sunday.
Okay. Now, open my maybe so. I didn't know more. Yeah, my against my support this particular match. Yeah, ball at the amount of 2 for.
Number one, say you were Asante Mine. Now say 2 for 20th anniversary. By all means, SSC support. Number two, we've always been part of Asante Kotoko.
Oh, okay.
Yes, we've been sponsors of Asante Kotoko over the last couple of years. And also know say Kotoko a ball match see SSC support. Number three, Asek Mimosa and Kotoko, a very big match. Any good brand in Ghana would want to associate with that match.
Okay.
Januntino and so no, Januntina Yedi home.
But on that day, Sunday, no, then MTN be on that very day.
You be no more be free. You be activations near there or stadium hall near there and then around the stadium. But inside, say Ubia or Babiana or Beko VIP honor. You be man 5 Ghana CDs credit.
Wow.
Obi or Beko center honor, center line honor. So no, Ubinya 2 CDs credit.
Okay.
Free. And I'll be able to popular stance to 1 CD, 1 Ghana CD credit.
Oh, that's nice.
But terms and conditions apply.
Terms and conditions.
As always.
If you say, oh, you'll be a Uyusu.
Terms now says so bantam.
Okay.
Aha.
Okay.
Terms now says so bantam. Be bantam beyond.
But I'm on check, say, be Uyusu MTN and
we'll send it. Yes, send the credit about phone. So it is all using MTN. Yeah.
Okay.
Joe, as a so pay a SIM card and son of
that is good. That is good. Final words.
Mpacho, number one, ye be pese ye be po bia cho say Sunday no obi amra stadium emhwe na match yi de match e moye eyi pa na afeso ye pese ye da Asante Man nyina ase say over the years no supporter e dia man ye nkoso ne yemfa support no emma ye na chese ye nso no emma ye adwuma ne nko na nim na ye ntimi provide good customer service to Asante Man.
Thank you very much. Opinion the Ni Adote Mengo, General Manager, MTN Northern Sector. And I know I should come. Chama Obeka Biasa, one way meka. I can have a
asem no kan no onko enti pese me chechire mu ye na obi nka say o papa no eka eba silver no kan na ya besesa no nti say nya no waka o say popular stand any center line and a VIP on ka say o pe kwan bia so na o copy popular stand na VIP na obeji ready to VIP ticket no 50 Ghana cedis.
Yeah.
It will be free airtime. Obra wato ukwa sa ticket.
Okay.
Ena sa stance no kan so 10 Ghana cedis. It say offer bi bibi nti wo kopie ho a. Untumi mba say papa no say obenya credit ma ba
credit.
Ese say uyo obi a wato ticket.
Okay.
Ansana ye de sa airtime na ma.
Okay.
Me ka sa bi ko mi be dim.
Uni ba mi ni me baby o free ba me kwa mi ni sa me pa.
Say
Edmonaka go for rem free.
Edmonaka ewuro na mi kwa ka. No bi o say me kotoko official nti. Na eyi ma na fu bi o fa mi nwuram. Onye entitled that credit no airtime no. Iti omu because VVIP what there ye ni me problem.
Go for ba.
Yes, it do person unya airtime no a. Now be ma free akase me pay free no. Because of MTN credit meto media. Into uti anere amount. But yes sanity.
Aha. Na mo t-shirts bi our gate na.
Oh, holiday. What the MTN the program by all means.
Okay.
No money there. Into no.
Just be there.
Now.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Opinion friend Ni Adote Mengo, General Manager MTN. Yeah, that's a papa say we when atwetwe komo. Lord of Pokunti and so Erafia, Lord of the Green Turf. And also Era efia. Na meto ade kakra ansa ye pay for ene abadwafo etumi ababe bobo matcha ye bebo kweseda ene eda extra no promo na na ya say na opinion ba ye friend Obeda Smani open we baby will be ano chia papa and then Obed Asemani heavy rough Jama baby will be me chia na RSL travel consults almost say the money amount for a 2 kwan akọ abrochi akọ ye adwuma Poland and na wo pese wo kwa but mo edi say wo edi wani ebecho almost mo pe truck driver sanso and general helpers construction helpers mason sanso and a carpenter for still benders electricians any warders no more money and share RSL travel consult na amuso adwumadi no ko agibia na se wo fa ntu kwan na me pacho ko ye adwuma enso wo gi visa dia mamman for ako US of A sanso and United Kingdom Canada me pacho kro bia pese okosu bia no bo mo dia se wo edi wani ebe cho maso no mabo na me pacho wo enso wetumi akọ tu kwan kwa amono ne akopesuka ababehwe echi imba na mesno 025 0245 25 70 68 0245 25 70 68 na wo anim pay for into me and twetwe and come na me patro Top Hill o mo say de wo mo enso at the academy aba be ka wo mo school ne ho na ade e fe kra wo mo say we age anasa wo fie no 9 to 16 na abo no onimbo a oba ho a wo fa wa untua kapreba untua sempoa womoa ebehwew ewo school mo esanse womo ene dwumako bi womo Canada ene US of A akomo antuma apama no say talent ewo kromu a no mo ma talent no ense ekwa company ya to the Anansis Football Club ewo Canada ene US of A eno mo say dwumade abanti wa me patcho we a footballer and now baby ni mbo ba mo dia say odi ne beko me patcho Top Hill school mo as academy me agent bi me third party bi anim wo de ko straight okwa wo mo ebe efa ball no unim bon ko a na anya ball ne ko say ye clever kakra na say wo school and me patcho wo be ko enso from home I was 0249 0814 81 0249 081481 na o any omo and to me and twetwe and come and so me patcho Save Your Liver Foundation and Lord Healthcare for anybody say campaign aba brebon but modi say wo ebe ebo ba nsu a wo no frama wo me call we me patcho amon for win sandodo wo no mo say but modi say wo be pay liver 07 capsules ne be na me patcho one minute to me abo brebon ho and so ho by pharmaceutical shop herbal shops are wo Ghana baby bia no wura ho a wo ebe enya bi enso etumi atop from on I was 0202 59 36 and 64 0202 59 36 64 na oni omo enso into me and twetwe and come Kingdom Borehole and Drilling me patcho bo modian say wo abeko empen for aso no mabo me patcho nsuo no momo entu enfama companies wo metu nsuo no ma e pampan cent e wo bie pipe no kra nsuo na eba no enni no kala no enye kra Kingdom Borehole Drilling for eba be ye bia ama kama na me patcho omo bo no so de eda form efo enti bo modia se mo ACC adan e new site no wo ni new site kwa na me patcho wo person be ye bi ma me ba be ye enso e de ama kama enso so e wo ho me patcho from I was 0551 30 the 8133 na me patcho woni omo enso entumi entwetwe and come high sense almost at the promo no so den almost say Afcon promo no womo adi about me patcho ko television and so our high sense ho na fa share Afcon 2019 say almost see phones no so womo adi about womo eton enti womo dia say wo adi woni ebecho quality pictures no obe enya bia bra wakoto high sense omo elevation no almost say 5-year warranty bomo ade say obekọ na wakako etobi enso ewo ho me pachoko kumase mo wa womo ewa soye enso ewo sanso na me pacho edum kofo clinic building mo womo ewo asoye enso anasa de from home ewo 0302 55 0000 0302 55 0000 na me pacho one high sense for and to me and twetwe and come on yebe ko abejafo ne no makotwetwe and come on kakra asanso aba na awra ye friend opoku enti Lord of the Green Turf, a boy era afia. Lord, Bibi Aboko there. Lord, Bibi Aboko there.
I want whom media na ya da obo ade na se.
Na Lord, what share you me who watch it. To quite a crack. Uku fresh. Na wakana men so nema tise ho.
Egusu papa.
Na se mo tournament bi ewo.
You prepare say the course Sweden.
Oh, that's great.
And in Norway.
That's nice. That's nice. Now, Eja, Sunday you two for 20th anniversary game Eba so Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Na ASEC. Na ASEC tell money Kotoko boy ya and send bebre see na Lord de na set no. Na Eja obe pay ni due a conti. Say game na onim na big game bisa no. And Lord and send me na be catch Kumasi Asante Kotoko etita for ahead of air match Eba so Sunday our Papa Yara Sports Stadium.
Yo, medas match TFO nyina. Some match we enye just ordinary match keke ana friendly international keke. Ade bia ayi Kotoko management edi share otekoko so animonyam. Say after 20 years no. Ebinum enya kwan ekokochia no physically ebinum so ntimi anko. But ade also betimi edi aye ahye animonyam say ye pe football no Kotoko ne Asante man de utiti mu enye yie no I think say etwa say obia betimi agene oye tata aba stadium on Sunday. Very 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 important. One ye dey show tun for ni monyam. Two, me feel say management current management to my idea. They could have picked Abia
Local
Yanum to say has for na anka ani omobo. Ba Yanum kura mbaka so omomo.
Musu.
Omum pe friendly matches, musu omum pe friendly matches. Shamo ko ebedi adanse.
In fact, Lord, Honorable Sports Minister na openisa.
No, pe has Kotoko.
And free. Almost all team now you so stay on what do you.
But me feel say management I there so omum the international friendly match brain. And I think say we share Confederation Cup here Korea. It seems supporters and respond to international matches. And meaning say we be one of them omo betimi aba pa abeshe park nema.
Na Lord, currently we share Kumasi Asante Kotoko team nima and a team na betumi face ASEC em say for anniversary
you see local matches international difference
okay
edru ba bi kura because of international match you know motivation is different say me nko Kotoko training grounds but my board and meaning say Basaya obia person show ni supremacy training obia den hobeshin obia person match no obobi one hu dey return e be bifu CV and as individual players you know eba such matches anya dey hu no e bia ye ne media my boy no sa na obi hu there be difference won pa difference won
okay
and you know me feel say that Confederation Cup Kotoko koye no na sefata pa omo level of that area na ebe hansi ntimi feel say obi antimi be say no embasa
okay now Lord companies ahodo wo krumu ha amount be a lot of businesses omo enya sika ewo krora na sase so Lord match we and some na obeka tro mo say bia so mo ntumi makra say Asante for wo baby so mo see we ankwa say no homa ko say dai asema na obeka ojan kwa no homa ide eko
no correct I think say edrum rebia me feel say even FM radio station we some be play important role pa you better yansa frɛ companies no sabio anya ba bia na akɔkɔ build company and ma be ko yi
I know correct
but for the past 20 years in the war Asante na war company if he say company no etu anamo yi and a ba Kotoko any Asante man say Kotoko ye bibi na wo de hu jimu a if he say supporters no kura no almost so ebua in different way so company no yes we sell it in this way almost be respond to it and you know the make can say enye wontimi show bia but yes ga companies no omunye adoye kakra wo hanmo by buying tickets one de me chen ne farmer radio stations for no mun chema supporters no just to also ebeboa ma ya fere stance no very 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 important
because it's in so
a former aid and the crepa and to send ya ebeboa almost contribution betimi de abo asanteman ene ayo tun for no
okay now lord we dey yem feel tun for 20th anniversary of hona yemra Senegal 92 kakra bi ente Senegal
oh mami tom yi wi an
okay I tell you
say I'm ambassador na wo ye di me fa baby kura
ni ma na si wo Senegal na bi na wo wow
your boss and you are not Becca
umame Becca na chiri
yeah and because I be do na cho
na dia na
okay, the can mama here be wa. Except for by Thursday no mama. Meaning some more that information.
There be for my so ambassador Tiffany na my.
Okay. Then a headline sponsors MTN. Omone a Kotoko officials. Any ASEC officials Ebeko present the cap to Otunfo on Friday.
Wow.
Very very important.
Very important.
Niamano organizers no more ya the way omototo niamano. I think say bibia ekoyi. Omo ye we nyina so say Kotoko supporters ani beje. And ye bomb pie say Kotoko obia betimi aka de opebia, house for betimi aka opebia. By your supporters na me sombo e chen clubs e organ nyina. Your supporters. One with the mention. And yes, sir. Match in the bed, you need no national quality pack. Samako no Obano or say, or ye the fan of you, I say. Years back, no, Tama 80s mono. So now to Kumasi Hapa, now to fear him now so support to us. If you rock rabbit too. Yeah, sure. A sentiment is sorry for Kotoko. Udian be ye. And Kotoko, your fans and the same city, your doors swama. And no cry, I say, a swatting pony. And to me, feel say a mad idea. But the lava over Makoto continue. And he said, ultimate trophy on Sunday. Okay. BBI, I say, if you love something, you go extra mile for it. Yeah. You sacrifice a lot. Yeah. Yamra, you cry. Obama, who Oba for so open.
Yamobe.
Otimi sana ju 2 o'clock say me o siga kopa obeba and that kind of love no mama yem push enko supporting no I the support Kotoko no okay so that at any given time no when we are called upon no I be respond very very important that make us Kotoko sponsorship e wo nyina no and two supporters years back 80s mu nyina send any sponsors. So na Kotoko you great every Sunday na park yam. Obi beka say, oh, say born ni say no. Crafts are hono ay Europe no. Yam fan say Liverpool. I take him how many years ni?
About 20 something years.
One with the mention. And so still the supporters were there. Yeah. Opobia you could not tell anyone for better for worse, isn't it? And then I believe Sir Kotoko supporters. Please. There's one thing we need to do. Yeah, they are sant, my yeah, they are near sant in any Kotoko. So Abbas say, or say, you proof children and I say, the oil was sentiment no. You need your home. Now you penasem or ya come. You respond to it. Let me feel say, they are sick. For a chibe come from.
Oh, okay. It's a message or Edema fans. Now, Senegal 92 no. Final game more ne Cote d'Ivoire Baba ka say Tony Bafo and or captain on that day. When him yam say because Tony Bafo
okay, me can no say here. My mama come music assembly.
Ambassador.
The popular stand no, 10 cedis. Well, center line so 10. I cut across. Then VIP no 50.
Okay. We quite there for.
Yes,
a whole year 10.
Nine 10 around the Nina from Amokum, center line and a squat. Nina 10. Then VIP. VIP dignities.
Okay. What can we say? Some name.
Now, young Conant to is
Tama, you can't say to the Buffalo and make captain on that day. No more reaction. Our dressing room. Say na net. Kono bi enim say Tony Yeboah and the Babe man.
We dey make
Tony Yeboah na assistant.
Enye bia. Autofista mewa. Autofista no we. Ntia ye di lunch we gather to say they are gathering ya. And no start here no obobo selection. Obobo ni nyina wie na I can't say captain. Oh no, I say captain. Could I say it's not anything very important. Tony Buffon. Now we have players here too. You know, be any change back. Then I say penalty kick bar. No ball. Anthony Yeboah. Anthony Yeboah at the top of his voice said, "Me more." And told me who say a before. What would you mention? Never be on
coming born.
some of the tears maybe a baby sir. Tony Bob not teaching you.
There is something here in Java for if you are not beside no Java.
Really now atmosphere nice for the game. About ball and attitude way and as atmosphere way would the entire game whatever it is. You can't be football say a draw. Me I think say the unity the lack be every team no. I very very important. Because a draw ball I mean some maybe we are me then I mean that. Go for me but me
GD and chess a draw.
Or no or more ball rather. Me my ball and me who say ball no o skills, unni conditioner. Ultimate tumrika. Wadwene bia bra o control ball kura. Me hu stadium obi no obi jira o ma passa. Na o gba tuturubu. Bre.
Okay.
Na sa time na duru no way. Me da me ka say me hu say obi abo shot. Na shot no u jina kira. Ultimate say technical use and te be for over. Then I cheer say a qua near who's from maybe if you baby no but football no an idea and you make us a drew. One with your mission.
Okay.
Because I mean no baller will be boss shorter. Who I know the DHL can be different from me. Me first me technical use here. Even so call me and you cry no ni goalkeeper ni pia. Na me hear directional player no fire meeting I can send because football principles will okay. And you know me as for that one there we are there to me convincing. We are there to me convincing. Because my Bobby na me hu and kitten football. Yeah, I go football. Ball bopo, you see a draw. And you draw. Technical use you know. And a ball may be a cobo pool. Okay. So you find it's a pole ni. When you a pole. Now o the ball free heba. Na say o ball na ball on nine ha. Ah o boni say ya. There's no way I'll beat me on your target. Okay. I be say ya na ko for pole ni. One of them. Baby at any given time baby on one ball or say o boni say. Na ko boni say ya. There's no way say o be nya correct pass. Okay. Number 3 ni. You were number 7 or her. Now number 6 o bobo abasi. Now I'm a bishiawe. Now meanwhile no 5 no air cover her. And now 4 air cover number 2 no. Then o bobo no straight say. The possibility say we be bend ball no. Be 90% than win. Okay. But so boni say we no ebe shia no bones the gap between way and the ball no wapa into when a befa ball all these little things in a pretty important rule and you do one with the mention
okay no yeah I see and then
the American
education
I don't come
member
I got one question.
oh one question okay
Look,
Ubeka doesn't
no, I am still on Senegal 92 now. But John Clubben, the woman said, from the highest hierarchy in the bar, said, so for be said Tony Bar football captain and everything I did captain.
maybe I know do be answer there's the beer no honest is
Oh, okay.
the beer there's and as that time now I also for be could come for us that time now there's nothing there. The only thing I be a man crofo bufu and say Tony Bafu the first time or the about Ghana national team. One of the and football and Ghana national team the first on the Kurano. Then coaches kura and a point is when a captain.
now when
The management is involved.
okay
One of the sometimes character of the player no everything are disqualifying. How behavior of part and I say the relationship between on any players in it mean. The only thing I know woman say because of Obia who say because of when you be in a share room here.
and I be the kokuman
Yeah. Maybe a sana then you home. And yes idea not on Bafun deserve said that day no cover captain.
and I make money by more okay Lord yeah that's the papa say of busy schedule nyina no wait me aba now I get to say oh yeah ambassador
My dear to me.
for 20th anniversary of 24 March eba be
I
born.
am a fan come see you.
I didn't know that. You the can say Lord nkwa to me car no cra a see on that day. Now we Senegal. To the bafuka say me more. Lord Tony Yeboah. Lord yeah that's it papa. I know Lord of the Green Tea. Me to ande kakra na afei
A question me no be I love them, Mr. Aka.
okay.
This is some question.
Yeah, but I said,
Okay.
And I'm meant to ande na kakra wi na wo misa.
Oh, how do we say 2 minutes?
Okay.
Oh, my supporters never seen Musa than that way.
We said last match, no,
Not a bench.
I know. Also no bench. But me, what the cobra me
Now explaining because some walk. I'm going to TV.
so
Oh, give you a friend with training grounds on a main TSC. One friend is 70. Then I'm a friend and that was 70.
I'm already different.
I play. Sultan Black ASC drink, but what you say, you have a baby and why. Now, Sultan Cola, a bois, a clean new veins, the more air, kama, a boama, ut me, Edru, and so ye, Sanso, and a Sultan iced tea, no, me patrol, Yabinuma, a mama who are ding a strong energy, no, to me a booster and ye, papa, Sanso, and a Sultan Pano, a bois, Emma, and also to me a bois, Emma to me, a diagro, wow, a diagro, I want Pemo, and also Modia say, oh, a baby now, wait to me, and I'm a Sultan orange, you know, the patrol will be in my blood digestion here, papa, it's Modia so the Quaco pet a do at all, the patrol all shops, supermarkets, pharmacy shops, no, Ura, me patrol baby at all from I was 0249 2267 13 0249 2267 13 now only more entry and come on L TLC me patrol TCL one more televisions no me patrol but money so ba pay ebi ato e esan me patrol koto a ebebo afoni me enkobo obi promosa kwa ko he ebo ewo ho me patrol mo so matete wo mo enema ne so enti bo money so be ko na me patrol kwa ko he akwakoto television e bi all sizes no wo mo ewo bi enso so wo wo mo ewo air condition sanso na air deep freezer water dispenser nyina no washing machine wo ko wa obenya bi enso etumi ato enso so wo me patrol American product na brand friend name and our brand ambassador into product no quality no I was through a year papa from our 0546 25 80 47 0546 0546 25 80 47 now we more into me and train and come on yellow and orange pharmacy me pacho malaria tete wo edi unya momo edia se wo bepe eye edro we bi ama eye akwala de opade ede enti so ma na edro a enyo me pacho enya de obenum ofre na no dimirika anaso die se wo de edro no ema na osu na me pacho okonya eye yellow and orange pharmacy wo mo edro a wo mo aba mo atuni din golden eye malaria na wo enya bi enuma ebe ebua eye papa golden malaria no onya goldi aya malaria edrona wo mo awon source pension so ana me pacho pen for na enom na tablet nti mo dia say me pacho obe epebi na watuma no na malaria no enso etumi atu ase ede ama me pacho mo asafo eye fitemu anasa de from our 024 689 0244 80 68 90 71 0244 68 90 71 na oni omo entumi antwetwe eye enkomo Euro Metal Ghana Limited me pacho de omo ana womo ade biogas toilet system no aba na me pacho airfo kanena na yetu amana donko esanso sabo edi egu ema homu ese ne mani na etuatwa wo metu tokro kitwa bi won ade ato na me pacho ejanani ekoma na me pacho na ase 20 years obetume yuso abra me pacho unya eye problem bia eye 3 years warranty no mo ede ema me pacho from on was 0553 eye 95 18 eye 36 na wo ani omo antwetwe eye enkomo 0553 95 1833 na oni omo enso entumi antwetwe enkomo me pacho Utrecht savings and loan 20 years no mobile maboa ye papa kan government workers no okoya na loan ye the amount mo mo pese musi asori dan asofo na pese musi asori dan no mo enfo money encho kan post for mo de mu do one tempa no na e sika na ama ko bi account wo enya de omo de sika no e be kwa wasa wo mo esina na no mo de tokas ama eye ma e da me pacho omehwe ama usika na eso aba eye emfaso enti for sika koto wo branches omo obi wo tamale sunyane techiman Cape Coast sanso ana kumasia wo mo ewo asafonia asafo near behind asafo behind Spirit FM Spirit FM ho ana me pacho wo mo sanso na Dunkirk adjacent adia pharmacy me pacho so menso wo mo enso ewo office back ho eben kwasi pon SHS nti pacho from on ewo 03220 39 87 6 na oni omo antwetwe eye ankomo ensoso ewo eho me pacho idea DB1 roofing sheet koma so na me pacho kope omo roofing sheet ni be na fa ball dance so and all the ball dance so enya dia me pacho ebe epada netia enetie me pacho omo ewo amakombian custom barrier ho off offense road from ewo 0540 13 32 11 na oni omo antwetwe enkomo Panacea pharmacy me pacho omo ba omo say diabetes no omo etu ase e de ama Ghana for to diabetes patient bomo ade ase wo ade wani enso ebecho se kire yare no ha adwiye papa pantiko ho na omo enso entumi emboa from our 0244 70 3 0244730448 na oni omo entumi antwetwe enkomo Action Progressive Institute me pacho remedial classes no for when action na ko agi nimdia na First World War na nye ya Second World War no we dey when action omo ebeboa sanso ana me pacho green track for no omo classes na asase all side all subjects ni nyina no eguso a ekoso dendendin wo no deck so biometric registration on wo ade when action wa me pacho wo mo so ebe etumi aboa me pacho mo ewo bantima won G roundabout as we ni eche sodala no GBC building mo and I'm a pacho mo awo from our 0244 68 84 58 na oni mo antwetwe enkomo sanso ana Glozil recruitment agency wo mo say dia wo person ye adwuma awo ship mo for more dia say wo ade wani enso ebecho omo efa eye world senso enti Dubai adwuma pai ship mo adwuma pai e wo Dubai enti bomodia so beba o maso ho me pacho salary no eye juicy free accommodation me pacho free gozo recruitment form I was 0208 8527 na oni omo entumi entwetwe enkomo chairman na ebane say na Daniel Dakwa omo friend 70 minutes amafo ka say wo bobo na do 70 minutes ba na Daniel Dakwa abre
Sana players in front of
don't friend 70 minutes
I mean, tea.
I want to
Players there.
yeah nickname
Nickname. I said, you castle.
yeah
Intended to me.
okay
And Chebadi, I mean, they make come say, I don't know where movie, I don't know where movie there. As a football administrator, my name is John Pay. Because I prove say players are the beer and players or Mokasa. Or one or Mokacha on a Mubisi. No more yes, I so not so busy beside us.
you more opportunity now
I'm more console, not quite watch BD. Maybe may play me too far. Me say, just get yourself ready for the next game.
okay
Say, no one bubia. You will training, not train, say, or try a flower. Uncle go when must
deliver
say, make a pass, madam for Miss Safado. And I'm soon out Safado bar to continue man body over the bar.
okay
So what I say, will be born. Was to prepare one to hold a flower to Yabo. Because Uncle Fopi, no, I don't know where movie, I don't know where movie, no, almost by moi. Now I justify why I not all. The TM 2 for say, Kotoko Jesse, no, I'm saying, CK can send me. The last time I in year meeting, or say, now our team do all a few before Boko. None, a pass over Boko. But he players all while, or bone you be more, and all the folk.
okay
Oh, Kosa, no, I said, Pajay, and say, na me kwa me ko tu Jo Debra na ko tu repetition. O trawa sa no se no e no e mo be se ko boase.
okay
Nti o boase no anche no de ko abruchi. Nti na ya se ko be fa so be wura akotokom. Won wa de no. Nti men trawa se na e na me ye ma me mobi. O ba so na be abe de o. On se ko fo accuse say e ba Africa na e different.
yeah
Eh?
yeah
E na ye bo we so e different. But difference in saying na je so person mo chere say taba na ye bo say bibiri free mu due to injuries ni ade. So it go for na kese chiria eno mo opportunity no. Say na different ba ko na different we mu na je say kasa na kasa nyina fa so bi amaso.
ba ko do mutu man ka be dia momo
No enya no mpo na say kasa na mo ka nyina fa so amaso. So nti omo friend no mo ka ye advice o mo say get yourself ready for the next game.
okay
So what I say, and you say, and I so be no say, Manambo. Now, say, me administrator, me took training grounds will be. One more, you know. Me who say, oh, but you say, Sunday, I'll be Tram Park, so everybody be. One, you know, Casano, a Dawson. Emma will be a selection on merit. Training hard. This is a proof of why I saw Trambo on Bobby. And yet, Kesa Bibri, never mind. I said, oh, Coach Kotoko Jesse.
okay
Mama Jesse in your cheap, sir.
okay Tamanet Monaka, yet say, or no air crowd repair Makumasi Santikoro. That's me, I summon one could the one go ahead, Mobo.
Saturday. You give me a Saturday.
Say,
we have one about Thursday. Yeah, it was Saturday.
okay
By neighbor tournament Kakawaka.
yeah let me go freeze
How will you meet you?
Reserve team. We say Ventus we scout to be scout to players and yeah, you Palano and Aruras for Nakao. We say Benjamin Jarmo a Kambo, so there's a team in the and as
what was some man?
oh, say scout we have same one of so wow on swimming gun hunting. So yeah, Manchester B na PSG B Manchester United only been social coaching. Almost say na PSG for ever sa kura no ba wo no de say sa teams na e to mo nye bia Israel mo na ntino scout na be hwe na first year born as go dey ball goals draw and no ba chela mbasa bo or protect Legon Park ho no number 1 na ye match no say ni dreams no so nyambo Saturday and Saturday nti ye hwe say ye be ko unse na last match say ye twa do be the second one na bo Champions League this year say yeko because to do akwa no to be in match nti omo deserve confederation
Champions League
who say champion ye kwa first one third one ye tumi kwa animu
but inse confederation ni de ebu wa ha onimbo or no de ye adi confederation ni de ato the Champions League ni yim se na edi kan de de se di ka koje na ka na etu ansa na sama confederation nti wa won confederation no target confederation no you say hey nti no mom ya sa nti madam fu or do my friend Samuel Bio but eduar me chan pa bi am chan na w tano so house for my team manager
yo ya te amo chan ama je so why
nti me fa
ya say ya for line number 49 and now says 02 0 77 14 17 ofra na me pacho won so what me